Welcome back to Today in History. Get ready to journey through time as we uncover the most astonishing, weird, and mind-blowing events that happened on November 10th throughout history. From legendary encounters to groundbreaking premieres, this list is packed with surprises you won't want to miss. If you're a history buff or just love a good story, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more incredible tales. Number 20, November 10th, 1483. Martin Luther is born in Eisleben, Germany. This monk would later spark the Protestant Reformation, proving that one man's thesis can indeed shake up the world. Number 19, November 10th, 1775. The United States Marine Corps is founded at Tun Tavern in Philadelphia. Yes, the Marines were born in a bar, explains their fearless spirit. Number 18, November 10th, 1871. Journalist Henry Morton Stanley locates missing explorer Dr. David Livingstone in Africa, greeting him with the famous understatement, "Doctor." Livingstone, I presume. Number 17, November 10th, 1928. Emperor Hirohito is formally enthroned as the 124th Emperor of Japan. Cue the royal fanfare and those stylish imperial robes. Number 16, November 10th, 1938. Kristallnacht ends in Germany after 2 nights of terror against Jewish communities. A dark chapter that reminds us why history must not repeat itself. Number 15, November 10th, 1951. Direct dial coast-to-coast telephone service begins in the United States. Finally, you could call Aunt Betty in New York without operator assistance or excuses. Number 14, November 10th, 1958. The Hope Diamond is donated to the Smithsonian Institution in Washington, D.C. Talk about a dazzling gift. Just don't get any curse ideas. Number 13, November 10th, 1969. Sesame Street premieres on PBS, teaching generations of kids their ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. Who knew a big yellow bird and a grouchy trash can dweller could be so influential? Number 12, November 10th, 1970. The Soviet Union launches Luna 17, carrying Lunokhod 1, the first remote-controlled robot to land on the moon. Moon rovers, because driving on Earth was too mainstream. Number 11, November 10th, 1975. The SS Edmund Fitzgerald sinks during a storm on Lake Superior, inspiring a hit song and countless ghost ship stories. Shipping routes just got a lot more eerie. Number 10, November 10th, 1982. The Vietnam Veterans Memorial is dedicated in Washington, D.C. A solemn tribute that reflects more than just names. It mirrors a nation's gratitude. Number 9, November 10th, 1983. Microsoft introduces Windows 1.0. It wasn't quite the window to the soul, but it sure opened up a new world of computing. Number 8, November 10th, 1989. Germans begin tearing down the Berlin Wall, reuniting East and West Berlin. When walls fall, spirits rise. Cue the biggest block party ever. Number 7, November 10th, 1995. Activist Ken Saro-Wiwa is executed in Nigeria, sparking international outrage. His legacy continues to fuel environmental and human rights movements. Number 6, November 10th, 2001. The World Trade Organization approves China's membership. Global trade would never be the same. Cue the manufacturing boom. Number 5, November 10th, 2006. The National Museum of the Marine Corps is dedicated in Virginia. Semper Fi. A new shrine honors the few and the proud. Number 4, November 10th, 2008. Over 90 people die in a Russian submarine accident due to a fire suppression system malfunction. A tragic reminder of the perils beneath the waves. Number 3, November 10th, 2014. The European Space Agency's Rosetta spacecraft deploys the Philae lander, achieving the first ever landing on a comet. because parking on Earth is just too easy. Number 2. November 10th, 2019. Sesame Street celebrates its 50th anniversary, proving that Muppets age better than most of us. Still counting, still teaching, still adorable. Number 1. November 10th, 2020. Pfizer announces its COVID-19 vaccine is over 90% effective in trials. A ray of hope shines during a global pandemic. Science for the win. Thanks for time traveling with us through the incredible events of November 10th. If these historical nuggets intrigued you, made you laugh, or taught you something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Today in History. Hit that notification bell so you're always first to know about the wild and wonderful moments we've got lined up. Until next time, keep exploring the past. It's full of surprises.